You can't go full power.
Ethan, you can go off the back wall.
You can do my thing looks like a Voltorb.
You can. Yes!
Oh, come on!
Yo,
Ethan, you can do anything you put your mind to
I went
it.
through, what the
Yo,
fuck?
me and JJ floated over the hole, bro.
What? Yeah, same. That's BS.
Wait,
I floated over the gap.
wait.
What?
Did anyone?
Oh boy.
Did anyone hear Josh?
Bro.
What? Yeah.
I didn't do anything.
Oh, I've had a bad time now.
What?
He just said,
I'm yelling, yeah, yeah. 10 of you, but 1 of me. Yeah, yeah. I'm a different kind of J. I'm a different kind of J. I'm a different.
Oh fuck!
Fake
Oh
fuck.
fuck!
Fake
Oh fuck! JJ, that was just unfortunate. JJ, that was just a.
Are you fucking serious?
Ethan, do it!
You
Ethan, do it!
fucking wanker! Fucking toss off a kid! Oh, you piece of shit! You're fucking dead!
I
the
don't
fuck
finish
up your
it. I
mum,
need my
bro!
time. I
Who the
need
fuck up
time.
your mum?
Ethan,
Who the fuck do you think you are?
He's a fucking Martian.
No, it's my side!
The fuck was that?
Must be
Oh
that,
no!
okay.
Oh boy!
What the? Why like that? Why you say it like this?
boy.
Boy.
Oh boy!
Oh boy.
Oh boy!
Oh god.
Oh boy.
Just go.
Vic.
Yeah. You fell again.
What? Why are you making that noise about Vic?
I'm balling like a bodinky.
Yeah, fed on sukkot, puss.
Alright, guys! Moment of silence, please.
Oh no.
Oh my! He just farted. No!
I just backed it up into my road.
What?
Oh my god.
What?
He just
Oh, your
stuck his
mic.
road.
Okay, that makes sense.
I actually thought he meant like in the street. I was like, he's trying to just commit a car crash or something.
Muhammad Jihad. Suck Allah.
So, give me a test of your groans.
What the?
I have a distinctive one that will hear that I'll get to answer first, you see.
Can we swap?
Minecraft banter.
Yeah, give it to me. I'm begging it like 2Sync.
Zamislin Oskuwazinich.
Dildos everywhere need some milk.
What is that?
I don't know.
Need some milk.
Simon needs some milk. Changed it.
That's horrible.
Bukaki needs some milk.
What the fuck?
What is John doing?
He's
Jacob Saggy Tits needs some milk.
Stop inserting
Oh,
the mic.
you're like in my
Saggy
ear.
Tits has milk already.
You're literally like in my neck. Alright, this is the slowest. Oh my god, your mum. Your mum's turning.
Josh, that's a mad noise.
There's fetish for metal gates, bro. Like,
To be fair, Metal Gates.
like in the hole.
Oh, yeah.
No, he doesn't.
That noise.
It's like hit me from the back.
That noise. Wait. Keep doing it.
Honestly.
One vibration.
to experience the earthquake.
Just one, just put
Did a like on it. The others all doing videos as well. Check their channels out. They'll be
Simon, you just sound like you gave birth.
No! But my pussy is clean.
What the fuck?
My cook.
What?
I like it.
I like the kuss.
What?
Is that the kuss? He likes couscous.
I like the kuss in my puss. What the fuck? On to the next race.
Thank God.
It's actually not working with like a Specialton.
When they're so special, you can't even call them Specialton. You have to reclassify them.
Yeah, that's me to Specialtons.
I know when you're Jar Jar Binks.
What the fuck? What the actual fuck?